What's up, guys? It's your boy Peace here from Island Strong Hauling, OKC. Just want to follow up with the job that I booked for yesterday. This customer, he booked with me online, and I'm away there. I texted him I'm on my way. Then he texted me back that he had some movers come out and took care of the job, which was kind of sad because he didn't give me some type of notice, at least an hour or two notice ahead of time before I showed up. But anyways, keep my head up. Call the customer back, told him it was okay, it's no problem, but just next time, just let me know in the future. Give me some time, give me at least some type of notice. But yeah, I was gonna stay positive. I was gonna stay strong, motivated, and keep moving forward, right? So on top of that, I got another call from a realtor. It's the fourth job I've been getting from him, and yeah, I got him for a good amount, $2,000 job, and I'm excited for that job. I'm on my way to take care of that job as we speak. And yeah, so follow me along, and if you haven't liked it, subscribe it, man. I greatly appreciate you guys. Go ahead and do so. If you guys feel like supporting this channel, I'll bring on more content. Just ask me what type of questions you need on the bottom. I'll get back to you. Alright, so follow me along with the journey, guys. Bam. Peace. Just going through the house. Pretty much we got everything out. House is clean. Just gotta worry about the backyard now. But yeah, there's a lot of crap in the backyard. I'll post some pictures and see you guys what I was dealing with earlier today. And when I was in the job in the backyard, I'm about to take care of. Alright, I'll follow up with you guys later. Peace out. What's up, guys? It's your boy Peace right here. Got down this beautiful day. Junk removal was good to me today. Did a job for a realtor. He's a repeat customer, and it was easy money today. His job was like 4 hours, and I knocked it out. But I'm gonna shoot a video. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys some pictures of the job I did today. It was a little over $2,000 job. So I knocked it out in around 4 hours. So yeah, I'm that type of person who works. You must be wondering, why do I have all these pictures of the boat, my sweater, and my hat. So I'll just give you a little bit of backstory of me, myself. So before I started junk removal, I was doing commercial fishing. I was working up in Alaska, Dutch Harbor, doing deadliest catch type of stuff. I was doing that for 5 years, working 112 hours every week, non-stop, no days off. So I brought that mentality into my business, doing junk removal. So I'm a hustler, I'm a grinder. I like to get things done, because everything I do in Alaska is all based off how fast and how quick, how you get the job done, as quick, as efficient, and as good as possible. All right, so yeah, we're done. It's me and my wife. We're a team. We're a tag team. She really is a big part of this company of ours. So yeah, I give it props to her. So anyways, we're on our way to hit dinner. So you gotta give it up to the junk removal. All right, so I'm about to get some lobster for my wife. She wanted to eat some lobster, so I'm gonna treat the wife. You know what I mean? So anyways, check back with y'all later. Peace out. What time it is?